Good morning, CMS. Today is Thursday, October 29th, 2020. Please stand for the pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right, today's menu, Thursday's menu, choice A, the mashed potato bowl is back. That's right. We have popcorn chicken, chicken gravy, corn, and cheese over mashed potatoes with a roll. Carrot sticks, mixed melon cup, or fresh fruit. Choice B, pepperoni pizza. We now move on to Friday's menu. We have choice A, Mummy's dog. It's a hot dog. Spider web fries, waffle fries, haunted trees, fresh broccoli, candy corn parfait, lemon pudding, and mandarin oranges with whipped cream. That's for choice A. Now, choice B, Gravedigger's Pizza. Breakfast pizza. For breakfast is an PBJ, I call PB&J, Uncrustable. Pears and milk. That's for Friday's menu. Now, attention all 7th and 8th grade boys who are interested in playing basketball. You have tryouts this coming Friday. That's right, that's tomorrow. So, for 8th grade, you will be meeting in the rec center on Friday and Monday from 3 to 5. 7th graders, it's a little different. 7th graders, Friday, you're going to be meeting from 3 to 5 at the rec center. And then on Saturday, you're going to be in the high school gym from 12 to 1:30. If you have any questions, please ask Mr. Murphy. Now, moving on. Tri-C Distributors is teaming up with the PTO. You could get some of your holiday shopping done through this fundraiser. The whole goal of this is to fundraise for things for next year. Sale begins October 22nd, ends November 11th. If you have any questions, there's a web link that can be found on the morning announcements or Mr. Madigan's blog. All right, we have a Red Ribbon Week video. Hopefully you enjoyed the last one. We have one coming up right now. Enjoy.
Growing up, I was definitely hard on people that I saw that were getting into stuff that I didn't believe in, like drugs. I definitely would see friends do stuff and tell them like, hey, you probably shouldn't do that, and they're like, oh, why aren't you cool or whatever, and why wouldn't you do it with me? And I'm like, this isn't a good idea, and inevitably, I think it caused some damage psychologically, emotionally to his family, their career path, and that's kind of heavy. I always wanted to avoid it like the plague because I never wanted to risk the chance of becoming what I've always dreamt of. In my high school years, I was actually doing online, so I was traveling a lot, but I was still very exposed to the possibility of doing drugs or being under a bad influence from peers, just because I was traveling the world, competing with much older people, and I would never let peer pressure overwhelm me because I had a goal in my mind, and I would just rely on what I learned from my parents growing up.
All right, hope you enjoyed that video. Now we move on to Halloween is taking place tomorrow, which is Friday, October 30th. You can dress up. Make sure, though, that your costumes are school appropriate. Of course, no Halloween masks, no gore, nor any clowns are permitted. Costumes must be a literary movie character, career-based, or a historical figure. Now we go out to the 6th grade shout out. This goes to the Yeti team is proud to shout out to Landon for being responsible, ready, and safe. Thanks for being a good citizen, Landon. Now we move on to the 7th grade shout out. This goes to Clinton on the hashtag Clover Squad for greeting your teachers at the beginning of class. Now we move on to the 8th grade shout out. This goes to Eric on the Fiesta team. because of his hard work, and he sets a great example in class. Staff shout out goes to Mrs. Lance, because she goes above and beyond every day to help the students here at CMS. We love having her on our team and appreciate everything she does. Thank you, Mrs. Lance. All right, the bulletin board. Deep breath. October 26th to the 30th is Red Ribbon Week. October 30th is Celebrate Halloween. That's right, dress up as your favorite literary or movie character or historical based. November 6th, end of first quarter. November 9th, second quarter begins. November 11th, Picturite Day. November 25th to the 27th, Thanksgiving break. That's it for the bulletin. Now we move on to the quote of the day. Our school has students who achieve goals drug-free. That's the quote of the day. Now, students, remember your Colt pride. Be respectful, be responsible, and be safe. All right, everyone, that is a wrap for Thursday's announcements. Have a wonderful Thursday. Be blessed, Cloverleaf.